not very difficult. It's 25.5 meters. Your B is 136 meters.
I got it.
Huh?
What?
Nothing. Yep.
A is
got to-
25.5 meters, B is 136 meters. The question is quite complicated, so pay attention, please. Now, a plot of land of area is divided into 3 rectangular fields of equal width. So because they are equal width, the first thing you can find obviously is 36 divided by 3 to give you 12. So at the very least, you know that this is 12, 12, and 12. Now, look at the fencing given in the question. Please make sure you understand how fences work. When you share a perimeter, there's only one fence. You don't install fences double-sided. So this thing over here that is shared by the plot of land is a single fence. It's not a double fence. So you don't go and times 2. Okay, so how do we find that? Your total perimeter is 177. What can we find? We can find this part over here. So this is 36. We can find this is 12. This is 12. This is 12, which is also 36. So what are the parts that we do not have that we need to find? I need to find this part. I need to find this part. I need to find this part. And I need to find this part. But what do they tell us? We know that this part is 27. We know that this part is 27. Do you see what you need to do now? Maybe I change a different color. Can you see what your yellow perimeter is now? It's very obvious actually when you highlight it, interestingly. Okay, so 2 times of AB, which is the 2 yellow parts, is equal to your total perimeter, which is 177. You minus away 36, you minus away the 36 again, and then you minus the 27, and then you minus the 27 again. And that will give you 51 meters. Yeah, Jared, go. Okay, and therefore your AB is just 51 divided by 2. I found this question very, very easy to visualize if you actually use a highlighter, because you can very clearly see what exactly is missing. The 2 yellow parts. That is the only parts of the perimeter that you do not have. Wonders of using a highlighter. B. Find the perimeter of the plot of land. This one a bit annoying. It's 3 marks, but it's very tedious. You cannot find the perimeter of the plot of land directly because they give you area. So you need to ask yourself, what are the parts that you do not have? So unfortunately, to find the perimeter, you need to find certain things. Okay, so you already know AB is 25.5. So write it in now that you already know the value. Okay, write in the wrong place. Okay, so ask yourself what makes up the perimeter. You have the 36, you have the 36. Okay, you have the 25.5. What is the part that you cannot find? You need to go and find this. You need to find this. This is the part that you don't have. Correct. Let me put the 12 on the inside so that it's less confusing. The part in purple you don't have. Okay, so that is the part in purple that you need to find. And how do you find it? Unfortunately, there's no easy way to find it except by using the area. That's why the question gives you the area. You can find the area of each plot. So I'm going to label the plots X, Y, Z. Because we know the breadth, we can find the length of Y. So the length of plot Y find the area of plot X is equal to 25.5, which is your length, multiplied by your breadth. .306. Then you have the area of plot Z, because again, you know your length. So 27 times 12 to give me 324. And therefore, I can now find my area of plot Y. So the total area here is 876. So 876 minus away plot X minus away plot Z. You get 246. And now you know the area of this is 246 meter square. It's 136 meters, yes. Once you find the area of plot Y, you can now go and find the length of Y. Okay, area divided by breadth, 20.5. All right, so now find the total perimeter, which is only the outline. I'm going to use a dark color to highlight it. Where exactly is my outline? It's this thing. Okay, I only want the outline like this. The dark blue part. So this is your outline. So many workings, yes. 3-mark questions, not so simple one. I don't think it's a very difficult question, but it is not. It is quite tedious, yes. Okay, from there, you will find 25.5 minus 25.5 minus 20.5 will give me 5. So you know that this length here is 5. You take 27 minus 20.5, you will get 6.5. You will find that this length here is 6.5. And now you can find the total perimeter. 36 plus 36 plus AB, which is 25.5, plus 27 plus 6.5 plus 5 to give you 136. What a tedious question. Okay, so the parts that you need to find are, you need this length and you need this length to make out the perimeter. And to find either of those two lengths, you need the length of plot Y. And to find the length of plot Y, you need to use the area. That's why they give you the area in the question. All right. Finally, last question. I'm going to finish the last question in 4 minutes. I'm sorry for overrunning. Sorry, not sorry.